What's up, CEOs? It is time for how auto dealers sell luxury cars. That's what we're talking about today. So if you're watching this right now, then you're watching the replay while we wait for people to get the notification that this video is live inside the Facebook group. So if you want to join live and be in on the Q&A and get the videos faster, then you can join the Facebook group. Okay, so hey, let me know who is with me and if you can hear me all right. I am Chad Leonard and I'm the founder of the Auto Dealer Business School. The reason why I founded the Auto Dealer Business School is because I felt like there was a need for startup auto dealers to get business, to set up their business and to get the foundations of what a used car business needs to be successful. Okay, so over the years, I've worked with several auto dealers. I've helped people get licensed in lots of different states. I've helped people to hit six figures. I've helped people to correct the mistakes that they've made in their business. And I've been a speaker at the NADA conference, that's National Auto Dealers Association. I am an NIADA dashboard contributor. That's National Independent Auto Dealer Association. Okay, so the reason why all that is important is because I am out here advocating for the startup dealer, because a lot of the information that these organizations have aren't geared towards what our business needs. And, you know, we're part of these organizations as well. So we should be able to get the information that we need as well to get our business to a new level, or to move our business to a new level, or to upgrade it, right? So let me know who you are and can you hear me? Okay. What's up, Eric? Okay, you can hear me. Yes. How you doing? Antonio, what's up? I ain't seen you in a minute. Good morning, Professor Shamel. I like that. All right, so let me, as people are coming in, let me start with some announcements. There is a new online workshop. It is called How to Be a Private Auto Broker for Luxury Car Buyers. Yes, this video is to give you some background information so that you can move your business to the next level by adding another revenue stream. Okay, so if you subscribe to this channel or you're in the Facebook group, then what we talk about here is the business of selling used cars. Okay, so we have a new online workshop. The online workshops are an hour and a half. That way I can go more in detail that I can't do here about everything you need to go ahead and put this new revenue stream in place. All right. So I'll put the link to sign up for that workshop. That workshop is coming up in a couple of weeks. I'll put the link in the description. The other announcement I have is that the Six Figure Dealer Club is open for enrollment. Lots of people ask me, well, how do I enroll in the Auto Dealer Business School? Like, what are the programs? Well, the Six Figure Dealer Club is the program for getting licensed and also getting your business off the ground, like startup. So we go through your sales process from when you take the money to transferring title. We get all of your software set up. We get all your processes together and help you set the foundation for increased action in your business, like increased sales, working with people, etc., to make everything go smooth. So if you're interested in joining the Six Figure Dealer Club, schedule a strategy session with me, because I need to make sure that this is a good fit and you do too. So we get a chance to talk in a strategy session for 30 minutes. I get a chance to understand who you are, why you're doing what you're doing, what you need. We put together a plan. And if the Six Figure Dealer Club is for you, then you can join then. All right. So let me start with, so why I'm talking about how auto dealers sell luxury cars is because I need to apologize to y'all. You know how people say, oh, you know, people don't really tell you the real about the business and what you need to do, right? Well, I actually did that too. I didn't. So if you are new to this channel, recently I had a death in my family, and it was a very close relationship. And during that time, I did not have any desire to work. I did not want to sell no cars. I didn't want to go to the auction. I didn't do any of that stuff, right? And then even coming back, from the initial grieving period, I've just been like, man, I think maybe I was working a little too hard before. I need to go back to what I know and what I've done in situations when I really didn't want to work hard, honestly, but my business still needed to bring in some money. And that is selling luxury cars. Okay. So back in the day, when I transitioned from an office to a car lot, one of the things that kept the car lot in positive cash flow and going was that I started selling luxury cars. All right. And so, how the problem with small dealers and selling luxury cars is two things, right? It's capital. Can I get an amen? Like, you're probably wondering, well, how do I sell luxury cars if I can't buy the car first from the auction? I don't have enough money to purchase this car, right? And then the other issue is marketing, because even if you have the capital, if you don't have the marketing, that car is going to sit and you have money essentially just sitting there that is not selling, right? So solving that problem, what I did was I started brokering luxury car sales. So I had a relationship with someone who knew lots of people who wanted to buy luxury cars, and he would refer them to me. And from the referrals, I would sell luxury cars, right? Now, that's what I'm going to be talking more about in the online workshop, how that worked, the exact process, like A to Z, okay? But for right now, let me tell you that small auto dealers sell luxury cars mostly by brokering, all right? Because you can't hold inventory like that. You're a small dealer. You can't have 200,000, 300,000, 500,000 just sitting there. Cause what's that? Like 2, 3, 6, 7 cars. That's it, right? Just sitting there waiting for the right buyer, right? And not only that, how do you know you even have the right cars that people want to buy when you pick your luxury cars? I mean, there are popular cars, right? But lots of luxury buyers come with specifics and they want a specific kind of experience. All right. So by brokering luxury car sales, you don't need to hold inventory. So you don't have to have that capital. You can personalize the experience for the buyer. So they get to feel all special and they get to feel like, okay, I got a private auto broker. I got somebody who, I can be like, yeah, I'm all that because I got me a private auto broker who buy my cars for me. People like that stuff, right? People like that. So that's another thing. You can personalize the experience for the buyer. You can also make larger profits per car sale. And this is what kind of sparked me to revisit it, is because I'm in a position where I really don't want to work hard. I'm still grieving. And, I don't really have the energy that I had before to be out there hustling and to, keep it going. What's up, Corvette D? Like that. Not saying that I won't have the energy, but I just realized that I eliminated a very essential part of my business for some reason, right? And I'm adding that back in. Okay. So any questions so far? Any questions? I see y'all in here. Any questions so far? So while I wait for questions, why luxury cars? Okay, let's talk about that. Well, we talk a lot about the different markets, and we talk a lot about what markets are recession proof in the auto dealer business school, right? So if you've watched any other videos, then you understand that the recession proof markets are the cash car market, because people are going to get the money to buy those cars because they need those cars. It's essential, right? And it's luxury car market because no matter what kind of flips the economy does, the people who can afford luxury cars have their finances solid, and they have probably recession proof their finances, right? So, the economic issues don't affect them at all. So selling luxury cars is part of your recession-proof plan for your business. Okay, it is actually an essential part. And everybody is talking about a recession is coming. We're in a recession. And, as far as I see, I mean, there might be some truth to that. Lots of spending is down. So, we'll see how that goes. So you need to have a recession-proof plan in your car sales business if you are out here selling cars. All right. So that's one reason for luxury cars. The other reason is it's by appointment only. And this was the part that brought me back to luxury cars because I just don't have it in me right now, y'all. Like, if you haven't lost a loved one, it really does turn your life upside down. And I need lots of time for myself right now. And, I still want to sell cars and I still love to sell cars. I still want my business to move forward. So I am available by appointment only for my car sales right now. And that's what I started thinking about was like, okay, well, I basically have limited time. So by appointment only are for those who have limited time or time constraints. You have a job or, whatever it is, right? So those are the reasons why luxury cars. Any questions? Any other questions? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Ooh, my video moved a little bit. All right. So who can sell luxury cars? Let me know if you're picking up what I'm putting down. I think there's a bit of a delay, but let me know, okay? So who can sell luxury cars, all right? Any retail licensed dealer who can take cash for car sales, okay? Who can also finance buyers and who can help those who don't qualify right now to qualify eventually, all right? So that is also what I will go into detail about on the online workshop is you need essentially a funnel. The foundation of a really good luxury car sale program is that you have a funnel, right? You don't need a funnel. You could just sell the cars, but you're going to be that's not systemized. You're going to be doing that forever. Everything you do, it should be with intention and with a strategy. And you should have a plan on how you can automate this and systemize this and have leads coming in. Because remember, at the beginning of this video, one of the problems for small dealers selling luxury cars is marketing, right? So you can eliminate that marketing issue if you have the right strategy. And that strategy is everyone who comes into your business, you have a way to service them right now and get them ready for their luxury cars. All right. So we will definitely go into detail on the workshop. So sign up for the How to Be a Private Auto Broker for Luxury Car Buyers workshop. All right. But yeah, as long as you have a retail licensed dealer, or as long as you are a retail licensed dealer, then you can sell luxury cars. And it's fun. That's what I want to say. I was trying to find something else, but it's fun. It also solves the issue of a lot of auto dealers I work with. As I'm pushing the cash cars as an essential part of your business, they don't want to only be known for cash cars. And I get why, right? Because, you want to be associated with class and luxury and, new and expensive. And, especially if you're out here building a brand, because you should be building a brand. Brands are what sustain your business. Okay. So this is all part of the business of buying and selling cars. All right. You need to be about the business, not just out here flipping cars, selling cars. You need something automated. You need to be able to automate your business. All right. So was this helpful, CEOs? Let me know in the comments. If this wasn't helpful, let me know what you wish you would have learned about or heard about, right? Do you have any questions? Was this clear? Who's coming to the workshop? Let me know in the comments. Space is limited. It is online. Okay. It's an online virtual workshop, but space is limited because of the service provider I use. So I feel like this workshop is going to be a popular one. So go ahead and sign up so you can get in. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the workshop, or if not in the workshop, then I'll talk to you on the strategy session. All right. So I'm trying to wait for the comments to load because I know y'all saying something. But yeah, let me know. Let me know if this was helpful, and because I always want this to be helpful for you. All right. And as always, I'm praying for you. And after what I just went through, I know that you are praying for me too. I really appreciate all of the love that I have received during this hard time. Like, it really meant a lot to me. It made me feel like I'm not just out here giving. This is a reciprocal thing, you know, like you all appreciate me too. And I really appreciate that. What's up, April? So thank you from the bottom of my heart. My family thanks you. We really, really appreciate the support. All right, let me move on because I can feel myself getting all choked up about that. But yes, as always, I'm praying for you. I'm praying for your success, because somebody got to be out here praying because business is not easy. But it ain't difficult either if you have the right plan. All right. So I'm ready when you are. Get what you need, and yeah, make it happen. Will the luxury workshop have multiple sessions? No, just one. It will be an hour and a half so that I can go in depth on the process. Okay. Hey there, prayers. Thanks, April. All right, so see you all, CEOs. Be blessed. Next week, I am going to talk about what does it mean to own a dealership, because I had a chat on my website with someone who kind of got hung up on the own a dealership, and she admitted like that part kind of scared me. Like, what does that really mean? So I thought to myself, that might be a good one to talk about. So next week will be, what does it mean to own a dealership? So sign up for notifications so you can see that video when it's out. All right. Okay. Be blessed. Bye.